how to change or edit the channel name of your community in Microsoft Teams. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this simple and easy tutorial, I'll be guiding you through the exact simple steps on how you can rename your YouTube channel from any community. So for example, in this particular interface, once you have opened your Teams, you will see this particular bar right here over the left hand side. Now from here you can see this communities tab, so you can simply click onto this community tab, and within the community tab it will show you all of the communities that you are a part of. Since you want to rename any particular channel, let's say I have this channel under this community, that is YouTube, so the community name is YouTube, and within this I have this channel called general discussions. Now let's say if I want to rename this channel, then I can do so simply by clicking onto these three dots present over its name, and then I can click onto this add channel, and then from here I can simply rename it. So instead of general discussions, let's give it a random name like tank discussions, and then we can also choose to make another emoji as well if you'd like, and then we can click onto the save button. And once you are done, you can see that the name has been successfully changed to tank discussions. So that's how easily you can rename any particular channel within a community in your Microsoft Teams. So that was all for this tutorial. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, do make sure to drop us a like, tell us in the comments if this worked for you or not, and also don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.